Want to fix the errors in survivor.io but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to fix errors in survivor.io. So without any further ado, let's get started. At the top left corner of your screen, there is hamburger icon. Tap on it. Now select the settings option from here. Below your player ID, there is Fix Errors button. Tap on it. In order to fix the errors of the game, you will have to restart the game. So if you are sure, tap on the confirm button. And that's how you can fix errors in survivor.io. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.